Fetty Infiniti, the tri-state area's fastest growing Infiniti dealer.
You will love this platinum graphite '09 Infiniti FX35 SUV all-wheel drive, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 21 miles to the gallon on this great SUV with features like power liftgate with closure assist, ambient lighting, HomeLink universal garage door opener, variable power assisted steering, heated exterior mirrors, anti-theft alarm system with engine, immobilizer, power adjustable lumbar driver seat, glass, rear view camera, power one-touch tilt open and close sunroof, electronic brake force distribution, front fog lights, emergency braking assist, adaptive headlights, rear view monitor, power driver and passenger seating, 6-disc CD player and dash, front conditioning with automatic climate control, intermittent rear window wiper, Bose audio system, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this '09 Infiniti FX35. See us at Fetty Infiniti today.
At Fetty Infiniti, we are committed to providing our customers with great service, so stop by and see us today.